Hello everyone, welcome again in English class. Today I am here to teach you a new chapter, chapter 3. The heading of this chapter is Don't Tell Anyone. Don't tell anyone. So, here is a story, and this story is related with a secret. Let us start to listen. Erawat was loaded in Raj's elephant. He was white as silver, and he had beautiful eyes and broad forehead. Once Erawat came down to the earth to see the world. It was night. He reached the field of sugarcane and started to shuck them. That means draw into mouth. Sugarcane were very sweet. In the morning, the farmer came to his field. He saw his field and got a shock. Who has eaten up my crops? He was thinking. What will he do? After that, he decided to catch the culprit. Next day, in the midnight, Erawat again came down. He was very happy to see sugarcane and again started to eat the sugarcane. The farmer was surprised to see such a beautiful elephant. He wanted to catch him, so he coiled a thick rope and caught him elephant's neck and caught him. After then, the elephant told that he had apples of his size and grapes of big size, but all those were tasteless against sugarcane. The farmer was again surprised at this. He wanted to see a place, so he requested to the elephant to take him with him. Erawat agreed, but he said to the farmer, "Don't tell anyone else about it. Tomorrow I will come and take you." The farmer became very happy. When he returned home, his mother asked him the reason of the happiness. First, he did not want to tell, but after some time he told everything. His mother also wanted to go with him. The farmer got ready, but he said her, "Don't tell anyone." His mother also could not digest her pleasure and shared it with her friends. After some time, there was a long queue to go with Erawat. Next day, Erawat came down and said to the farmer. He said to hold his tail. The farmer held his tail with one hand and another hand was holding a big sack. Now, his mother held in farmer's leg, and likewise others. After then, everyone was hanging in the sky. Seeing a long queue behind him, the elephant of Indra got angry. He asked the farmer, "My friend, what would you do this by?" "I will bring apples and grapes of big size," said the farmer. "How much big?" Airavata asked again. The farmer was trying to show it. As he spread out his hands, he fell down on the earth, and everyone was with him now. Airavata said to the farmer, "I told you not to tell anyone, but you could not digest secret. How could you digest the big apples and grapes?" Then Airavata flew away alone in the sky. Children, what do you learn from this lesson? It is your ST. Think and write it in your English notebook. Thank you.